Mixing metals wrong is the fastest way to make an expensive room look cheap. But done right, it's the design move that separates amateurs from professionals. Most people stick to one metal out of fear. That fear is costing you. In 2026, the rule isn't match your metals, it's master them. This video gives you the exact framework designers actually use. Let's get into it. First, understand this. Every metal has an undertone: warm, cool, or neutral. Gold, brass, and bronze are warm. Silver, chrome, and nickel run cool. Mixing within the same temperature family is always safe and always cohesive. The real magic happens when you cross temperatures intentionally, with purpose and restraint. Start with a dominant metal. It should appear in 60% of your space. Your secondary metal takes 30%. Think light fixtures, cabinet hardware, faucets. Your accent metal is just 10%. A single vase, a mirror frame. This 60-30-10 rule works every single time. Without it, rooms feel scattered. Finish matters as much as color. Matte and brushed read softer than polished. Mixing finishes within the same metal family adds depth without creating visual noise. In kitchens, pair matte black hardware with warm brass fixtures for contrast that works. Unlacquered brass ages beautifully over time. It's the most forgiving metal in a kitchen. Stainless appliances are cool-toned. Balance them with warm wood or brass accents placed nearby. Never scatter 3 different metals across one kitchen island. Pick one and commit fully. Bathrooms are where mixed metals shine most. The small scale makes every detail count. Brushed gold faucets with chrome towel bars. Add a matte black mirror to bridge them. That bridging metal technique is key. A third tone unifies 2 metals that clash. In living rooms, your dominant metal usually anchors from the light fixture or coffee table. A brass-framed coffee table naturally pulls warm metal tones together across the whole room. Velvet sofas in cream or camel amplify warm metal tones without competing against them. Open shelving is your best tool for displaying intentional, curated metal layering at home. Stack bronze, terracotta, and aged gold objects together. They belong to the same visual story. Bedroom metals should stay subtle. Think bedside lamps, mirror frames, and slim drawer pulls. Brushed nickel and soft gold work beautifully together in a bedroom. Cool meets warm, quietly. Keep ceiling fixtures within one metal family. They're too prominent to experiment on. The most popular 2026 combination: aged brass with matte black and warm walnut wood. It reads earthy, grounded, and expensive without trying too hard. That's the sweet spot. Second top combo: brushed nickel with soft white and a touch of antique bronze. This reads clean and classic with just enough warmth to feel genuinely lived in. Never mix more than 3 metals in any single room. That is a hard rule. When in doubt, pull in natural materials. Stone, linen, and wood soften any metal clash. Unlacquered brass and chrome can coexist if they're never placed directly side by side. Distance creates harmony. Spread your metals across the room rather than clustering them together. Repetition is a powerful tool. Repeat each metal at least twice to feel intentional. One brass lamp in a sea of chrome reads, mistake. 2 reads like a choice. Dark interiors can handle more metals. The depth naturally absorbs contrast without feeling chaotic. Light, bright rooms need restraint. Too many metals and the space feels cluttered, not curated. Vintage and antique metals add character. They don't need to match anything precisely to work. Patina is not a flaw. Aged copper beside brushed gold creates genuinely beautiful tension. Test your metal mix on a tray first. Arrange small objects before committing to anything. The biggest mistake? Buying metals you love individually without ever checking them together first. Bring swatches, finishes, and samples together before any purchase. This step saves costly mistakes. Design is about intention. Even rule-breaking works beautifully when it's done with purpose. Mixed metals done right make a room feel layered, rich, and deeply personal. Save this video, share it with someone redesigning their home, and subscribe for more.